Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Dear students, today I am going to start the next topic, that is perimeter and area of composite shapes. So open your booklet, page number 77. As in our previous lecture we have learned about the composite shapes. What are the composite shapes? Those shapes which are composed of the basic shapes or can be divided into more than one of the basic shapes are called composite shapes. So today in this lecture we will learn how to find the perimeter and area of composite shapes. As in the previous lectures you have already learned how to find the perimeter and area of the rectangle and square. Same is here. You will learn how to find the perimeter and area of the composite shapes. So let's start. Perimeter is the boundary of the closed shape. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the boundary of closed shape. And what is area? Area is the amount of the space inside the shape. So there is a difference between the perimeter and area. Perimeter also includes a boundary, but area is only the amount of the space inside the shape. Come to this figure. Here you can easily identify the difference of the area and perimeter. In this given box you can see the shaded part. This shaded part is actually the area, the amount of space inside the shape. The space inside the shape is actually called area, and this shaded part is actually represent the area over here. And what is perimeter? Boundary. So this boundary, this outer side, this boundary is actually called perimeter. Now how to calculate the perimeter and area of the given shape? Area of the shape is equal to 4 centimeter square. How? As you can see the shaded part, in this shaded part what is the amount of space inside this shape? 1 2 3 4. You have to calculate the number of the boxes in this inside shape which is represented by the shaded part. So the shaded part in this bigger one box are 1 2 3 4. So the area of this shape is 4 centimeter square. As I told you in the previous lecture that the unit of the area is in square. That's why we are putting this small 2 at the one top side of the centimeter, meter or inch or feet. So how the area is 4? You have to calculate the inside portion of this bigger box. The inside portion consists of 4 small boxes, 1 2 3 4. It means the area of the shape is 4 centimeter square. Perimeter of shape is 8 centimeter. How the perimeter is 8? Perimeter mean boundary. You have to calculate the boundary of each box. So let's start how to count the boundary. Look here. We will start it from here. 1 2. Now you can see this one is the third, this one is the fourth, this one is the fifth, this one is the sixth, this one is the seventh, and this one is the eighth. So the perimeter of the shape is 8 centimeter. The unit of the area is in square and the unit of the perimeter is not in the square. So there is a difference between the unit also. Okay. So the perimeter of the shape is 8 centimeter. Only you will count the boundary of the given shape. Come to the second example. This figure, closed figure is given. What is the area of the shape? For area of the shape you have to check the amount of the space inside the shape. Inside the shape, not the boundary. So inside the shape, how many boxes are over here? 1 2 3 4. The shaded portion consists of 4 small boxes. 1 2 3 4. So the area of the shape is 4 centimeter square and perimeter of the shape is 10 centimeter. How 10? As you can see, I have already show the boundary of each this small square over here in this circle. In all these circles, each side, each boundary is calculated over here. You can easily find the perimeter. Look here, this arrow mean this one is the first boundary, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9 and 10. So this whole boundary of this closed figure consists of 10 sides for each of these squares. So the perimeter of the shape is equal to 10 centimeter. Clear? Come to this third one example. This one is the closed figure. Area of the shape. Area mean again space inside the shape. The small boxes inside the shape. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this figure is composed by 12 small boxes. So the space covered by 12 small boxes. Amount of the space is covered by 12 small boxes. So area is 12 centimeter square. Now what is perimeter of this shape? For the perimeter, you have to calculate the sides of each box. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this one is our starting point and this one is our ending point. So from start to end, the boundary, the total sides of this whole given closed figure is equal to 18 centimeter. So the perimeter is equal to 18 centimeter. Hope so the difference of area and perimeter of the composite shape is now clear. Perimeter is the boundary of the shape or figure and area is the amount of the space inside the shape. To calculate the area, you will just count the shaded portion of the given figure, and for perimeter you will calculate the boundary of each given box. Clear? Now come to the exercise. Topic is again same, perimeter and area of composite shape. Open your booklet, page number 78. Exercise is given and exercise is about the perimeter and area of composite shape. So let's start. Question number 1 is, look at these shapes carefully. Each shape is made up of small squares with each side equal to 1 centimeter. Now in this bigger square box, different closed figures are given. You have to look these shapes very carefully. Each of these shapes are made up of small squares and each side of the small square is equal to 1 centimeter. So what's the question? Find the perimeter of each shape in centimeter. You have to find the perimeter of A, perimeter of B, perimeter of C and perimeter of D. And the second part is write the area of each shape in centimeter square. The unit of the area is centimeter square. So this table is given. In this table you will write the area of perimeter of shape A, perimeter of shape B, perimeter of C, perimeter of D. Then you will calculate the area of A, area of B, area of C and area of D. I will just solve one part. A. What is the perimeter of A? What is perimeter is actually the boundary. So let's start the counting. I will start it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So the perimeter of A figure is 11 centimeter. Perimeter is 11 centimeter. What is the area of A? Area mean space, amount of space inside the shape. So how many boxes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So the area is 7 centimeter square. Clear? Like this, part A, you can calculate the perimeter and area of figure B, figure C and figure D. Got it? Come to the next question. Next question is, each of these shapes is made up of 10 squares. Calculate the perimeter of each shape and find the greatest and the smallest perimeter. Again the same question, find the perimeter of A, find the perimeter of B, find the perimeter of C and write the perimeters in these given boxes, perimeter of A, perimeter of B and perimeter of C. But along with this, you will check shape with the greatest perimeter. You will write the name of the shape, which shape having the greatest perimeter and which shape having the smallest perimeter. When you will calculate the perimeter, then you will check which one is the greatest perimeter and which one is the smallest perimeter. And this one is very easy question for you. Now come to the next page number 79 of your booklet. Again the same exercise, perimeter and area of composite shape. Next question is, look at the following shapes in the grid and answer the questions. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Different figures are given in this grid. You have to answer these given questions. First question is, which shape have the same area of shape A? What is the area of shape A? Space covered by amount of space inside the shape 2. Area of the shape A is 2. You can see the area of shape A is 2 centimeters square. You have to calculate it in centimeters. So the area is 2 centimeters. So which shape have the same area as shape A? Let's check. E, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. H, 1, 2, 3, no. B, 1, 2, 3, no. F, 1, 2, 3, no. I, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no. J, 1, 2, yes. J is also having the same area like A. D, 1, 2, 3, no. G, 1, 2, 3, 4, no. C, 1, 2, yes. So J and C having the same area as shape A. Like this, you have to answer the next questions. Which shape have the same area as shape H? Firstly, you have to calculate the area of the H shape 1, 2, 3. Then you will match which shape having the same area like H. Next question is, which are the shapes with the largest area and smallest area? After finding the area of these all given shapes, you will check the largest area and the smallest area of the shape. You have to write the name of the shape having the largest area and the name of the shape having the smallest area over here. Next question is, write the area of these shapes in the square centimeters. Boxes are given for the answer. You have to find the area of A, area of C, area of E, area of B, area of D and area of F. Very easy. I will just calculate one for you. What is the area of A? Amount of space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I will calculate it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the area of A is 9 centimeter square. Like this, you will calculate all these areas and write the answer in this given box, and you have to write the unit. Unit is centimeter square. So don't forget to write the unit. Now come to your booklet for the next page, that is page number 80. In this page number 80, last question is, draw the shapes of the following area on centimeter square paper and paste the paper in the provided space. Now space is given. You have to draw the shape. Now like this, like in the previous pages, shapes were already given to you. Now you have to draw the shapes by yourself. Use the squared paper, like in the you have your maths copies in your previous classes in the small boxes. You can use those pages for these shapes. So you have to draw the figure to find the area. Areas are given. you have to draw the shape according to the given area: 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter square, 7 centimeter square, and 1 centimeter square. So draw the figures in that squared paper and paste those papers over here in this given space. Got it? Area mean space inside the shape. Like you will draw the shapes like this. You will draw the shapes like this. Take a square paper and shade the parts according to the given area, like 8 centimeter, then 8 boxes, and you can draw the shape in draw the figure in any of the shape. There is no need to draw a straight square rectangle like this. You can draw any of the shape, you can use any square, you can shade any square, but the area should be equal to 8 centimeter square. So dear students, I hope now your concept about the perimeter and area of the composite shape is clear. To solve this exercise, if there will be any problem, watch the video or you can ask me. Okay, thank you.